Hey, welcome to Responsive Theme Tutorials. So far we have learned how to install the responsive theme, import a ready site and configure logo. If you haven't watched it yet, do check out the link in the comment box below. Today we'll take a look at how to add a navigation menu in WordPress Responsive Theme. WordPress provides two options to update the menu. Either you can update from Appearance menu or Customizer menu. Let's edit the header menu from Customizer. To add or update, open the Menu tab. You can see settings for menu items and menu locations here. You can rearrange the menu items with simple drag and drop. Once you create the menu, you can customize menu spacing, colors using Responsive Theme Customizer settings. Navigate to Header menu in the Customizer. Here you can style header with header padding, menu color, mobile menu design, and submenu design. You can also edit the font. Here you can configure font for main menu, drop down, and mobile menu by changing font family, font weight, font style, text transform, and font size. Once you make the changes, click Publish button to save the changes. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel to get notified about the latest WordPress videos.